In this lesson, you place structural columns in the model. You will then alter the columns to meet design requirements and place them on multiple levels of the building model. From the menu browser, select Open. Then open the file RACBBE01, Add Columns. Then open the floor plan entry level. Then, from the Home tab, Build panel, click the Column drop-down and select Structural Column. Then, from the Element panel, click the Type Selector drop-down and notice that a round column is not available in the project. To load that column family from an external library, click the Load Family button on the Detail panel. Then, from the Training Files, Imperial Families folder, open Concrete Round Column. Then, from the Multiple panel, select On Grids. Then, starting in the lower left corner and ending in the upper right corner, draw a selection window around the entire floor plan. Then, from the Multiple Selection panel, click Finish Selection. The columns are now placed at the intersections of all the selected grids. Click Modify. Then, zoom in and select columns C4, C5, and C6 and delete them. Then, do the same for columns H4 to H10. Next, we will modify column height. Using a selection box, select the entire floor plan. Then, from the Filter panel, click Filter. In the Filter dialog, click Check None, and then under Category, select Structural Columns and click OK. Then, from the Element panel, click the Element Properties drop-down and select Instance Properties. In the Instance Properties dialog, for Top Offset, enter 1 foot and click OK. This offset to the top of the columns accommodates the thickness of the floor above. Next, we will paste columns to the upper levels. With all the columns still selected, from the Modify Structural Columns tab, Clipboard panel, click Copy. Then, again from the Clipboard panel, click the Paste Aligned drop-down and click Select Levels. Then, in the Select Levels dialog, select O2 Floor and then hold down Control and select O3 Floor and click OK. Then, to see the results, open the 3D view. Then, zoom in to see the columns added to all 3 levels. Next, we're going to delete the extra columns in the pavilion. Click the top northeast corner of the view cube. Then, zoom into the columns of the pavilion and select the columns in the 2nd and 3rd levels of the pavilion using your Control key. You should have a total of 2 columns on each level. Then click Delete and close this file, as that concludes this lesson.